Umbusazwe ePhalamende ayilindele inkulumo yesabelo mali sikaNgqongqoshe wezemali uTito Mboweni ngoLwesithathu. Isimo somgodla wemali yalelizwe, yinkinga yokwantuleka kwemisebenzi, ukutakulwa kweziNkampani ezingamabhizinisi, ombuso okuqhubekayo kanye nokuqinisa idolo abatshalimali ngezinye zezinto uMboweni afuna ukuqinisa kuzo.
Wonke umuntu kusukela zakhamuzini kuyofika ezimakethe bayilindele lenkulumo kaNgqongqoshe wezemali uTito Mboweni. Amaqembu ezombusazwe nawo anezinto azibhekile afuna zithintwe kulesabelo mali sangoLwesithathu. I-ANC ePhalamende ithi ikhathazwa ukuthi lelizwe lingase lehliselwe izinga ngenxa yomnotho walo libekwe ezingeni likavobo.
We so hope this time around we won't be taken to junk status. We think there are efforts and I think there's a sense that the rating agencies need to acknowledge that such efforts are there, that there is a political will from the side of the political leadership.
IDA yona ikhathazwa izikweletu zabantu, ukwehla kwemali engena ngentela nesibalo esikhulu semali eholelwa izisebenzi zikahulumeni kanjalo nenkinga yezamandla.
The DA is therefore proposing an emergency solar rebate that would offer tax rebates for solar systems installed at residential properties. This is a limited rebate for 3 years only because it is expensive. And it's designed to alleviate our current energy crisis and would work as follows. 100% tax deduction for the cost of installed solar equipment up to a maximum of 75,000 Rand per rebate. The purchaser would fund the cost of installation upfront and would claim the cost against their taxable income at the time of submitting their ordinary annual tax returns.
Currently,
the state procures a lot of goods and services, but those goods and services are produced elsewhere. So we want a clear plan in terms of how to utilize state procurement to ignite job creation domestically. So that is one, but two, also we want a clear plan on maximal tax collection.
Umubheka konke lokhu kuyacaca ukuthi uMboweni unomthwalo onzima emahlombe yakhe wokuqinisekisa ukuthi wenelisa wonke umuntu.